Hi, today we will learn how to use the white Smart Bulb E27 from Tellur and the RGB one that has 60 million colors. Both are packed in the same way, and on the packaging you can see the technical specifications: voltage, power, and lumens. With these light bulbs, you will give your home a smart upgrade, because both of them can be controlled from your mobile phone. In the box, you will find the light bulb and a full user manual. All you have to do to use this smart bulb is download and install Tellur Smart app from App Store or Google Play and connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network. Once downloaded, it'll ask you to register your device. We have improved the app, and your smart gadget will be automatically detected by your mobile phone. Once connected, you can rename your device or click Done. You can now adjust the intensity, increase or decrease light strength, and with RGB Smart Bulb, you can adjust the color of the light. You can choose between scenarios or create new ones that you can save in your Tellur Smart app. Also, you can set a timer that will turn on and off the lights. Important to know, with Tellur Smart Home Range, you can control your house from everywhere with smart products with integrated features for a better living. Until next time, don't forget to follow Tellur's Facebook and Instagram pages and check out our gadgets on Tellur.com.